Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. Today, I'm taking you on the tour of 16 Pennsylvania Avenue. This is a half a double. It has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a lot of cutesy little features that you're just gonna fall in love with. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you on the full tour, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's go. So as always, we're starting the tour outside so you can see where we're at. Little gas station across the way here, and the Mill Hall post office there. And we're here at the front of the property. So this is an additional porch area that you have for your use. But we're gonna focus over here at this entrance that goes into the living room. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna get behind my car here. I am not parked all the way over. There's definitely space for 2 cars side by side, and you could potentially, depending on the size of the car, do a tandem park on the far side of where the parking is. When we come up on this porch here, I really love this space because it is a little bit more private. You have some room here to be able to put some patio furniture, and you can put patio furniture on the other side as well, kind of double down on your spaces. Now when we come inside this door, we're greeted by our living room. It's a small space, but it definitely will be easy to designate this space however you want to. You've got room to be able to put a little wraparound couch here and stuff like that. Now I will show you there is a bonus space in like the kitchen area you could also use. Half bathroom, pretty self-explanatory, toilet and sink. We're gonna come into the kitchen area here. So you could put a table back here. You could put some living room furniture back here if you wanted to. You could use this island as some kind of a bar top to eliminate a table. There is room for days to be able to use this. Storage on the other side. You have a large, beautiful pantry here, and then you have full-size appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, and stove. There's the door that leads outside to where I was showing you that first porch area. And I'd also like to mention there are mini split systems that are run off electricity that'll be for your heat and your air conditioning. I'm gonna come upstairs. We come upstairs, we're greeted right away by the first bedroom. This is probably a full-size bed, maybe a twin size. It really depends on what your personal preference is, but it does have a nice deep closet for storage. Your laundry machines are on the 2nd floor. High key, it's a vibe not having to haul the laundry baskets up and down. These are included, so these will be up here for your use. We're gonna come into the 2nd bedroom. This will probably fit a king-size bed. You can push it all the way down to the end there. It's nice and long, so you have room up here, and then you have your closet here for storage. Get to the last bedroom here. This would probably accommodate about a queen-size bed. It is nice and wide, a little short on the length, but it does have this great closet here with a hang bar and a shelf. And then last but not least, we're gonna come into the bathroom. We have a little bit of storage over here. Listen, say what you want about this mint green tub. I'm here for the vibe. I love the surround. It gives like a whole attitude to the space. And then you have your vanity there that you can use for a little bit of storage. So what a great place. And the added feature of the heat and air conditioner downstairs, wow. So what you have to do to make this your place is you have to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're gonna look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, I am anxious to help you make this your place.